finance on the blockchain. Today we are talking about a Loud market, or shortcut Loud. It is for sure on Binance Smart Chain, this token, and you can purchase it on PancakeSwap version 2. That's what people have done in the last 24 hours. 1.6 million. Channel, write down into the comments what you think about this project, and maybe give me a like if you like the video or the project. So their website is loudnft.co. It is a platform where musicians can sell their songs in form of an NFT, right? NFT can be listed at a single sale price or sold through auction. Additionally, artists can include a royalty-free guaranteed them a percentage of all future sales. Loud tokens will be accepted as payment by the content creators, musicians and artists, and content creators will be subject to small BNB fees when minting NFTs, which is a requirement when performing any function on the Binance Smart Chain. So we have here a zero fees on NFT sales, marketing opportunities and proposals for artists, agent opportunities, big expansion plan for Loud with new features. Sell your sound, audio and music for cryptocurrency. So the artists here have the chance to promote their music on this platform for free to sell, and for sure as an NFT, you can sell something without have the problem that someone can copy it, right? For sure there are always some ways to do it, but it is a good place where musicians can sell their songs, and why not? Look at the tokenomics. We have here 100 million maximum supply. We have 2% redistribution tax, 1% liquidity pool tax, 1% buyback function, 2% marketing wallet tax. They had a pre-sale, and what is quite interesting, Loud is audited by Rockbusters. Who is Rockbusters? I was looking on the website on a mission to help you avoid crypto scams. So Rockbusters are looking at the projects and give it a stamp if this is looking quite seriously, and yeah, why not? It is always good to have some big brother watching you, right, on the blockchain, because there are so many scams outside, so many rug pulls. People invest their money, lose their money, and it is good that this kind of people exist to have an eye on it, right? And yeah, this is their website. There's not much more to say about it. The rest you can think by yourself. We have here a marketplace. If you access the beta, it will look right now like this. So you have your different NFTs with sounds, and yeah, you can buy it. You can they are on auction, they are selling instant, and for sure they have a light paper here. Also you can read it by yourself. I don't want to bore you with these details now, but they quite write down what's going on in the NFT market, what's going on in the music industry, and it is a way that some musicians can, why not, promote their music, and maybe one of managers see them and they can have a big music career. Who knows? I mean, the smallest musicians also can find on the street, right? So why not on an NFT marketplace. And they have a Twitter account with 5,700 followers and a Telegram members 5,300 and right now 1,300 online. Let's see on that chart. Chart is very interesting. People are really pushing this project forward. The market cap right now is 2.2 million and 344,000 US dollars are right now invested. And you can see this token is very fresh on the market. And 21st September it was launching, but on CoinGecko listed just a couple of hours ago, 6 hours ago right now. So you have a big chance to invest here, to make some money, because music industry is very big, and I'm sure it's not the only marketplace for music now. It's maybe not the first NFT marketplace for musicians, but it is one with two people have an eye on it, two organizations. This is the Rockbusters, and for sure they launch a pre-sale also here by IDOpresales.com. They were watching also this project, and I think why not throw some money inside, just try it out, what happened. You know what I think about investing in DeFi's. Don't throw all your money inside, because it can go down, but it can go also 100x, 1000x. We don't know what the future gives us. There are so many projects outside, so many opportunities. And I just want to let you know this token is right now listed on CoinGecko, 75% right now already in profits, gains. And let me know what you think about this project. Is it worth? Is it a hit coin? Let me know into the comments. Maybe give me a like, and for sure subscribe to this channel if you want to see more tokens like this and daily updated news. Until next video, I wish you all the best.